Do you snore? It's a problem most of us have experienced. Chronic snoring affects your quality of life by depriving you of adequate restful sleep. Snoring may indicate an underlying medical condition like chronic nasal congestion, deviated septum, or something even more serious, sleep apnea. There are a variety of medications that offer relief but might make you drowsy or dizzy or affect your blood pressure. But now there's breathe-aide. Inexpensive, drug-free relief from snoring due to symptoms related to nasal congestion. breathe-aide gently widens nasal passages, allowing for free, unrestricted airflow and easier breathing. With breathe-aide, snoring is minimized or completely stopped, so you get the sleep you deserve. You'll breathe easier with breathe-aide. You'll feel the difference. So order now.
Call 1-888-877-AID. Breathe easier with breathe-aide and feel the difference. Order now for only $18.95.